Every beat is heavy, every breath is slow, but I can't deny the fire when it starts to glow. Broken pieces scattered on the floor. I don't even know what I'm fighting for, but the rhythm pulls me closer to the light. I'm still standing in the silence of the night.